videos. Look. Gonna do double videos.
Yeah.
We're gonna share it in our account. We're gonna do our same makeups that we share. I don't know. So later, remember to check the part 2 because we're about to remove this.
The braids. And this
We're
is
about to remove the braids later so we can get some precious girls.
I'm vlogging my sister.
I'm gonna first do her makeup. Oh,
You're gonna make
her
it ugly.
makeup. Then I'm gonna do mine.
No, I'm gonna do my makeup. Just open the lipstick for me.
No, I hold it.
No!
I'll hold it. I'll do it. You don't even know how to blend. Look at the face.
Ayan, plus. I see the makeup, I see the vision, but it's not like my vision. Ah,
You don't see the vision.
I don't see the vision. Like, I don't see the vision. I don't see the vision.
The other?
He literally stealing my makeup
The
style.
other side.
Is this already have been an hour or this is a minute?
I don't know. A minute. Hours are 3, 4, I don't know. Next is what do we add?
Two sigma ate.
Then we're gonna add some blush on the nose.
Two sigma. Look at the nose!
No, just gonna do something. I'm gonna turn her into Poppy.
No, I don't need to pop.
Just kidding, let's blend it up.
I hate you, ate.
Next, let's add some eyeshadow.
Give
We're gonna add some eyeshadow.
what?
Then after, she's gonna do my makeup.
Yeah, and I can make it so bad that you'll call mommy. We're trying to find babe.
Si Mama na yan, teacher ko yan. Let me see. Wow! That's my teacher before, but she's now gone. Close your other eye! I'm still streaming.
Wait, she's not working at the school anymore?
Wow, she was a nice teacher. Then let's blend in some purple with some little purple.
Okay, that's gonna...
You look fabulous already.
Yeah, I'm
Blend it out. Next, I'm gonna do the lips.
lipstick, not lips. Sigma boy.
Do it.
Lolo to lipstick. Ayun, concert. I make me a clown.
So it will have some more brushy effect.
Yeah, like your mama didn't do it.
We have the same mom.
And yeah, and your mom and our mom doesn't care about you.
Yeah, more like our mom doesn't care.
I'm gonna end the video. Wait.
I know, not done.
My lipstick.
Okay, my turn.